How to use Sweet Home November 13th, 2025 properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Sweet Home November 13th, 2025 is a powerful home design tool, but beginners often make mistakes that can waste time or create poor designs. Here's my honest review and tips for using it properly. Most people get this wrong. They jump straight into designing without planning. The surprising truth is that sketching a floor plan on paper first makes your digital work faster and more accurate. Another common mistake is ignoring measurement accuracy. Sweet Home November 13th, 2025 allows precise dimensions, and small errors can cause unrealistic layouts. Always double-check walls, doors, and furniture sizes. Many users also neglect using layers and grouping objects. Organizing furniture and decorations into groups saves editing time and reduces frustration. Finally, beginners often forget to explore textures and lighting. Sweet Home November 13th, 2025 offers realistic rendering options that can dramatically improve visualization. In conclusion, using Sweet Home November 13th, 2025 properly means planning your layout, measuring accurately, organizing objects, and experimenting with textures and lighting. Avoiding these mistakes ensures professional, realistic home designs efficiently.